Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to be unboxing 101 Rubik's Cubes. This is a package I just got yesterday and it's mostly just MF3 RS's just because they're really cheap and you know I can sell them or something. And this is a huge package, so I will not be unboxing every single cube individually because that would take way too long. But so most of the fun of this video is just going to be watching me wrestle with the packaging. And I'm sorry that the whole box isn't quite in the frame, but that's just because it's a big box. Okay, wow. Can you see all of these 3x3s? Jeez. Okay, now I'm going to have to count them to make sure I actually have what I ordered. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, this is a sale that was just put in there as a bonus. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Whew, almost a third there. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Okay. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59, 61, 63, 65, 2/3 there now, 67, I was there, right? It's a 69 now. 71, 73, 75, 77, 79, 81, 83. Wow, I can't imagine how Mascow does all these cubes blindfolded. 85, 87, almost there, 89, 91, 93, 95, 97, 99, and 101. So I think I owe you to at least open one of these cubes. Although I've already made a video featuring the MF3 the MF3S, just to make sure, do a little quality check. So this is what the cube is supposed to be. Nice and pretty fast out of the box. It's got the nice appeal to it with the matte finish. Now I'm going to do a solve. It's a little harder to solve here because I have the camera in my way, but it was still a pretty decent solve. Wow, that was a big unboxing. That's definitely the biggest unboxing I've ever done. Now, that's about it for the video. What is the biggest unboxing you've ever done? I don't know of any other than like a company that has had an unboxing bigger than this. I haven't seen it anyways. So what's your biggest? Just comment in the description.